Your iPhone offers multiple ways to control your HomePod's audio playback. We'll explore the most effective methods for seamless music control. The primary method is using Siri voice commands. Simply say, "Hey Siri," followed by your request to play music, adjust volume, or skip tracks. Siri can recognize different voices in your household, providing personalized music recommendations for each family member. You can stream audio directly from your iPhone to HomePod using AirPlay. This gives you full control over playback from your device. Within the Apple Music app, you can directly control HomePod playback by tapping the AirPlay icon and managing your music library. For quick access, use the Music widget on your iPhone's lock screen or control center to manage HomePod playback without opening apps. The handoff feature provides seamless audio transfer. Simply bring your iPhone close to the HomePod to automatically transfer audio between devices. These 5 methods give you complete control over your HomePod audio from your iPhone, whether through voice commands, direct streaming, app control, quick widgets, or seamless handoff. The Home app on your iPhone serves as the central control hub for managing all your HomePod settings and configurations. Your HomePod acts as a powerful home hub, enabling remote control of HomeKit and Matter-enabled smart home accessories, even when you're away from home. Newer iPhones include Thread radio support, which significantly improves connectivity and control of smart home devices by creating a more reliable mesh network. The top of your HomePod features intuitive touch controls for activating Siri, adjusting volume, and controlling playback without needing your iPhone. Apple's implementation of Matter support enhances HomePod compatibility with a much wider array of smart home devices from different manufacturers. Future HomePod development focuses on enhanced Siri functionality with local processing, tighter HomeKit integration, and improved connectivity with faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities.